like a change phone every 12 months, just like me? Do you have so many spare phones in your drawers that you don't know what to do with them? Well, now I'll tell you, you can use your spare phone as a dash cam. You know, the phones are, especially the latest phones, have very good quality cameras. So why you don't use those cameras for the dash cam? You drive car every day, you wanna, you know, sometimes you see things, you say to yourself, oh geez, I wish I had recorded this on my phone. Well, I have this Samsung S7, which I don't use, has been in my drawer for years, okay, because I like to change phones all the time. So the camera is much better, I'll tell you guys, it's much better than any dash cam you can find on internet. I'm talking about obviously the dash cam that are very cheap, like, you know, you can find 30 bucks dash cam on any, you know, like any internet website. They do the job, but obviously the camera is not that good, I'll tell you, because it's cheap. You pay, you know, you get what you pay for, right? So all you can do from your phone, I have Android, so obviously this is a Samsung that has Android. So all you can do, just go on your Google Play Store and download the camera timestamp. So I'm gonna show you in a sec what you're gonna do, what you have to do. The only difference is this application has the free version and the, you know, paid version. Obviously, the paid version has more features. So I suggest you to maybe try before with the free version and see how you go. And then, you know, if you like it, you can get the paid version, which is just a few bucks. And yeah, you will be very, very happy. My car, I got this, you know, phone holder, which is attached to the mirror. There are many on the market, so all I do, usually I put the phone like this, and then I start recording. I'll show you first of all what you need to download from the Apple Google Store, and then we start from there. In your Google Store, you can start with you know, with the searching bar. Obviously, camera timestamp is the software we want to search. As you can see, the very bottom is the one I just have installed, which is this one. See, the latest version is 5 of April 2022, which is very recent. Open. So that's how it looks like. See, now if you see, you can see, actually see what I'm seeing from my phone. On the bottom right, you can have the speed, you can have the address where you are at the moment. You can have actually the Google map on the bottom left with a little overlay, and that you can actually see behind. You can change those settings clicking on the top right with this kind of watch, and then that's what you see. See, you see this font, text size, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. Bottom right, you can make a change, you know, you can make so many changes. Here you can see how you can set how you see the address on your dash cam. So that's where I am at the moment, but you can also change it to have less info, like just, you know, just the address without the postcode, without the city. You can also see show map, remove the map, show the compass. You can also remove or show the altitude and speed. It's very handy because, you know, you can see how fast you go when you drive. You can put to have the local time or without the local time. The timestamp you want, you know, to be printable or one line or none. You can have the time in below or in above. Also, there are advanced settings. You can have a mirror front camera when capture. You can also record with voice, keep the original photo, touch to take a photo. Yeah, you can take a photo just touching the screen, and then you can, you know, obviously show the grid, which is good because you can see, you know, if your camera is straight or not, and you know, many options. You can do the, you know, for the battery saving, you can do the battery save brightness or not. You can also split the videos in 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 30 seconds, which means every 5 minutes this software will create a new video on your then you can go back on your camera roll and you will see many videos 5 minutes length. The white balance I set to be auto. It's up to you. You can change also the path where the video will be recorded. So I just left the path to be the default one, which is a camera roll. You can here you can change the timestamp opacity, because maybe you want to be darker or not. And once you press OK, you go back to the screen. You can also actually take a photo and have the photo with the timestamp. So here now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna press video and I'm gonna show you how the dash cam looks like when you drive. I hope you enjoyed the little ride I had with the car just for you guys. And as you've seen, it's beautiful. You can see the speed, you can see the little map on bottom left, you can see the, obviously the number plates are very clear, and the quality of the video is good because it's it's your phone video, and the video comes from your phone, and the quality is pretty good right now. It can be 4K, you can be even 8K if you have if you're lucky enough to have the very latest phone on the market. And yeah, basically I spent literally not even $10 for the phone holder. That's all you need, and a spare phone, obviously. After that, install the app, set all the settings the way you like, and enjoy the dash cam. All right, say hi everyone, bye.